Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. In the name of God, the most gracious, the most merciful. Tip of the day: how to check RAM, processor, hard disk in Apple OS X. If new user is planning to purchase new an Apple MacBook Pro, Apple Air, and the basic information, what basic information the user have needs to know, it should be RAM, processor, hard disk, and graphics card. Our channel name is Abdul Fanzone. Please subscribe and share our YouTube channel for more videos. So we will start this tip of the day. I'm just going to simply click on the desktop, go to the Apple button, then about this Mac. These information basically is very basic information and very useful information for any user who is planning to purchase Mac. See, there's different tabs coming: overview, display, storage, memory, support, services. Come on the overview. This is the summary of your hardware. Summary mean what OS X is installed. Right now I have Yosemite 10.10, MacBook Pro I have 15-inch, that is mid 2009. Processor is a 2.66 gigahertz. Core to do I have processor. Similarly here it will show, you will see there's a Core i7 or Core i5 processor is coming, and better go for Core i5 or Core i7 for multitasking and multi-purpose laptop. Similarly, I have 8 GB memory. That bus speed is a 1333 megahertz. DDR3 model is there. Then disk space. The startup disk name is untitled. My disk name is untitled. Graphics is NVIDIA GeForce 9400M 256 MB. This graphics is very useful when you are planning to purchase a gaming PC. So this is 256 MB. Serial number of the Mac is there. I'm just going to the display. As we saw in, this is the summary of everything. Now is one by one you will see. This is graphics card. You will see the display. Display is 15.4-inch size. NVIDIA G4 graphics 256 MB. Then you will see the storage. Normally in Apple nowadays, new Apple coming with the SSD hard drive. As you will see, I already installed here solid state SATA. This is SSD hard drive 500 GB. Okay, and this much amount is there. You will see the size and everything. Then I have optical disk drive there, DVD, CD, whatever you can put there. Memory, I have right now 2 modules 4 GB in my system. Your Mac contains 2 memory slots there maximum, and I hope so I can increase my memory up to 16 GB. Then 4 GB memory is there. Then support option is there. If your Mac is under support, you can contact their support center, and some services are there. So this is the basic information when you are planning to purchase your first Apple from the market. Then you keep in mind RAM, processor, and memory, how much size should be there. Okay, thank you so much for watching this channel.